Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. In this video, we're going to show you how to rack your server. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to take these rails, put them in that rack behind us, how to take this big bad boy and put it in those rails. So yeah, we're gonna show you how to rack the server. Let's get into it.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to attach your inners onto your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. So we have our two rails here, and one on the right side and then one on the left. When you look at the rail, you'll notice these inserts, and all of these inserts will hook onto the pegs that are on the side of the server here. So now you can go ahead and slide this inner rail out all the way. And you'll notice how it gets stuck about 3/4 out, but all you gotta do is press down on this lever here, and then you can fully take it out. Now this inner rail needs to be attached to the right side of the enclosure, indicated by the letter R. We want these inserts to fit onto the pegs of the right side of the server. So let's go ahead and attach our inner rail like so, just placing it on and pushing it forward to lock in. Now if you need to remove an inner rail, all you need to do is lift this metal piece here up. The easiest way is to grab a flathead screwdriver and simply place it under the metal piece to unlock the inner rail. And then you can easily push it back and remove the inner. So that is how you install your inners onto your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. Up next, we'll go ahead and show you how to actually rack this server now that the inner rails are on.
All right, so now we're gonna physically put our outer rails into the rack. So you'll notice the sticker right here is gonna go to the front. And right here in the back, there is an L. This L is going to be for the left side. So I like to do this with two people. It makes it a lot easier. So Angel is going to be in the back. So Angel, we're going to do number 7 here. So I'm going to let Angel hook his on first to start. But once he hooks his on, you're going to notice there's these two black, we'll call them pegs in essence. They'll push in. They push in like this, and then there's two hooks right under it. So when you come to number 7, you're actually going to want to have the black button push kind of by the bar a little bit, and when it pushes that bar, you can then hook this down like that. So I'll show it one more time. And when you actually, that's another good point, how to remove it is you'll just push these two black pegs back in and then lift it up, and now it's back out. So again, if we wanted to put it into 7, you just have it push against the little indents and locks into place just like that, nice and easy. So now we've got our rail kit in for the left side, so let's go ahead and put it in on the right side. So again, for the right side, you're gonna have this sticker on the front, and then it's gonna have an R for the back. So Angel, let's do number 7 again. All right, so Angel has now got it in the back. So I'm just gonna come up here, and we're going to have the black pegs pushed right here against this in order for us to hook our tabs on, or our hooks on, and it's just going to lock into place. All right, so once it's locked into place, if we want to remove it, we just push these two black pegs back in, and we can just lift this up. So we're going to push them in and lift this up, and then we have it out. So let's go ahead and put it back in one more time. So we just have this pressed against the bar, and then we can just slide it right in. And it's now locked into place. So then the inners will physically slide out, and we'll show you when they're locked into place like this in a second on how you can actually unlock this to put this back in. But now that the inners are out, let's go ahead and put our server in. All right, so I wanted to show you the inners real quick because it might be a little bit tougher when they're actually in the rack. So when we slide this over, you'll notice right here it's going to click into place. So now I cannot physically move it back. Now if I wanted to slide this back, it's stuck, right? So how do we get the rail back? So right here, you're just going to lift this up, and then the inners will slide again, right? So we're sliding, locked into place, lift this up. Let me actually, my hand might be blocking it a little bit, so let's do it like this with my thumb. You lift this up, you see that? It's going to unlock it and let you slide it again. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to actually show you how to put the server in. So we've got the inners onto the server itself. These are the second pair of inners in here. So what we're going to do is actually put these inners in here. So let's go ahead and line these bad boys up, Angel. Yep. Why don't you do your side first?
Yep. All right, so now we're locked.
Okay, so we are officially locked into place. And yes, it is heavy. My back can feel it. Angel, how's your back doing?
It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, mine's not okay. I'm too old for this shit. All right, so just, but what we're gonna do now that it's locked into place, you can see we're not holding it. Thank God we're not holding it anymore. It's so heavy. On the side right here are these two little clips. So you're just gonna push these clips down, and we'll get a close-up of those right now. So we'll put those clips down. And once you do that, guess what? It slides into place. That's super nice, right? Now, if you want to actually lock it into place, you're just gonna get your screwdrivers and you can lock this in, but you can just pull it right back out. And again, once this locks in, how do you get this out? Well, that same little clip that we had done, we're just gonna push this down and it comes back out. Now, I'm not gonna pull it all the way out because it's heavy, but it'll come all the way back out. So let's go ahead and lock this back in. If we want to move this back and forth, we're gonna push this down. So I'll do both of them at one time. So let's push these down and this will slide back in. And that's how we rack our MicroCloud. And if you are looking for any AMD Ryzen MicroClouds, please give us an opportunity to quote your data center. We have hundreds of these in stock, and we would love the opportunity to earn your data center's business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.